On question number 5, we have this cone. Right cone just means it's not tilted. It has a radius of x, and it has a height of 2x. Well, the area, the surface area of a cone is pi r squared plus pi r L. It's supposed to be an L. So my radius is x, so it's pi times x squared plus pi times x. Now we got to find the slant height, don't we? So to find L, I'm going to say x squared plus 2x squared equals L squared. Or 2 squared is 4x squared. So we get 5x squared equals L squared. Take the square root. And we get x times the square root of 5. Now, which one of those match up? Well, we can simplify this a tad, can't we? So I can say pi times x squared plus pi times x squared square root of 5. And that would be our first one, wouldn't it? I could factor out, if I factor out a pi and an x like we did in the second one, I'd have x plus the square root of 5, or x square roots of 5. Oh, that's the second one, isn't it? Can I get 2 pi x squared? No, I can't get 2 pi x squared or 3 or any of these others. Okay, in question number 6, we're looking at cross sections of a pyramid. Definitely a triangle, because a triangle would be my side, wouldn't it? A square, I could get a square. Could I get a trapezoid? Well, sure. If my plane cut right there, then I'd get a trapezoid. Just make it parallel but up the side. Would it be possible to get a hexagon? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't get any more than 4 points, so it's kind of hard to get a hexagon there, or an octagon. Now, if I rotate that shape throughout, notice I would get a cone. Let's start there with the cone. And so if I've got my cone, I know my radius is 2. 2, I put r, I meant 2. And we know our height would be 3. So I want to find the volume of that cone. Well, the volume of a cone, we just said, was pi r squared plus pi r L. No, that's surface area. Sorry about that. Got confused there. It's pi r squared h. So we take pi times my radius, which is 2, and then times that by the height. 4 times 3 is 12 pi square centimeters. If you don't like to put pi in your answer, and that's perfectly understandable, we just take 12 times pi. We'll round it to something appropriate, like 38 cubic centimeters, not squares, by the way. We're doing volume. So either one of these answers is acceptable. On question number 8, we have a cone with a radius r and a height is cut out of the cylinder with a radius r and height r. Write the formula used to find the volume of the remaining shape. Well, if I've got a cylinder, the volume of my cylinder is pi r squared h. And the nice thing is we have those same letters, don't we? Now, my cone goes to a point then. So for my cone, we just said, oh, you know what I did? I messed up the last one. We forgot to take 1/3, didn't we? I did the cylinder. So it's actually 4 pi cubic centimeters. And then if I take 4 pi, I'll just divide that by 3. And we get 12 point, and I'll say 13 cubic centimeters. There's what I really want for my cone. Almost messed that one up. Okay, so my cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. So to find the volume, if I cut it out, I'm going to take pi r squared h minus 1/3 pi r squared h. That'll give us 2/3 pi r squared h. There is your answer.